Hi, thanks for coming back. Now if you're here now, it's likely you're here because you watched our previous video where we built this aquarium out of an old double glazed window. This is the old oak table. Okay, so I milled up these bits of oak from that old table. So hopefully now you can essentially see what I was going for. The idea is it's going to sit the aquarium like that. I've gone ahead and got all of these mitered, glued and clamped up now. Probably going to have to cut a couple of holes in the back of this glass for all of my services to come through, so all the cables for the heaters and the pumps. So it now stands proud about 3 or 4 mil. Two choices. I can either route a bit from the underside of the lid so it sits flush with this rim, or I can just bevel this edge. So after speaking with the boss, she likes the fact that this stands proud. Just adds a bit of something to it, so I think I'm just going to knock these edges off with some sandpaper. Okay, this is it. The time has come, the moment I've been dreading. It's time to cut a hole in this glass. Now I'm terrified because actually I kind of fell in love with this fish tank. It's beautiful with the oak top and everything. I'm really looking forward to getting it set up and get some fish in there. But I do have to cut a hole in here, and I've been dreading it all week. Now I have just practiced a couple of times and it's gone quite smoothly. So I think we'll be alright. But only time would tell. So what I've got this water bottle here that's designed actually for cutting holes in porcelain tiles. So we have the little tube we attach to this bottle here, and we can set this bottle to just automatically flow water. This will be your guide. It kind of suctions onto the glass like that, and it will guide your hole saw until it gets a bite. I'm not going to use this automatic water flow system purely because it was using far too much water than what I needed. So I'm just going to use the guide, get us going. Once we've got a bit of a groove in there, I'll remove that, and it will start the long, tedious process of trying to cut a hole in the back of the tank. Okay, now you can see we've got it started. We've got a nice little groove in there now, so I'm going to remove this, give us a bit more clearance so we can actually see what we're doing. There we have it. Both of the holes drilled into the tank. I can't tell you how pleased I am that that didn't smash the back of that tank. I mean, it wouldn't have been the end of the world if it did smash the back of the tank. I'd have just had to cut that panel out and re-glue another one, but that's pretty much it. Everything is done. I got the handle in, the holes are drilled in the back, ready for me plumbing and the cables to go through. I stuck the vinyl on the back there because I want a black background, and I'm really pleased with it. If I'm honest, I think it looks slick as anything, and I can't wait to get some fish in here. Can't wait to get it set up. What I would have done differently though, and I would have painted the back of the glass, but I'll paint it before I stick this trim on. Secondly, is cutting them holes at the back there. It was terrifying. I don't want to do that again. If I was going to design it again, I'd probably just make that back panel a lot shorter. That'd probably just sit flush with the supports. That way I've got all of that space in the back there. I can get all of my services through. But other than that, I'm so pleased with it. I think it's come out looking great.